Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section let's enter the apps. Now let's scroll down in the right section and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Google Drive is right now to download. It is allowed to download something and install something. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, and some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and pick the apps wisely. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. And the same situation if you want to turn it off, because you can always remove previously granted permissions. So simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, and after getting back, the drive is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.